Hola! Na nababaw kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out. For today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Jumbo Jenra, Mabalacat, Pampanga, and we were invited by Holla. So it's a retail shop that offers linen, curtains, bath items. If you want to know more about this, samahan niyo po ako. There are a lot of items that are on sale. Tara!
Hi, my name is Don. Welcome to Holla. We are located at Jumbo Jenra, Mabalacat City. We are offering the most affordable home linen products in town right now. We are offering the most affordable home linen products like premium blackouts, semi-blackouts, and standard curtains. Ito po yung section na to. We have blackout, premium blackouts, 100% blackout. So 85 inches. And we have aesthetic color. Iba-iba yung kulay. Marami yan actually, pero ito lang yung nakapost. So from cream to dark, meron kami. So it's good for mga work from home, especially ngayon, yes. No? And then sa mga call center as well, para makatulog sila ng maayos. Even for the babies, okay din to. And for luxury as well, no? Yun, maganda talaga to. Even yung bagsak ng kortina, ang ganda niya.
Price starts at
the price start for as low as 300 sa wholesale. Ang regular price niya is 400, but currently it's on sale, it's only 350.
And then aside from that, sir, we also have other...
We have, ito yung pamares niya. It's sheer. Kung gusto niyo ng airy. And yung pang-balance sa lightning. Okay. So this one is 200 pesos only. But they will get it for as low as 180 for the wholesale. And for this one, we have as well the printed premiums. Makakapal ang tela niya. Hindi siya katulad ng mga nakikita nyo sa labas. Ito talaga, pinagpilian namin, pinaghirapan namin na piliin. And as you can see, konti lang yung ano namin. Kasi mga limited lang to. This price, the price is 350 and then 300 for wholesale. Besides sa premium curtains, meron din kaming bargain section. Ito yung makikita nyo usually sa mga palengke. Pero meron din kami very competitive price. Minsan, mas mura pa kami sa kanila. Like this one, what we have here is 150 only. And then this one is 180. And then sa plain is 170 only.
So usually, sir, ito yung parang mga quick fix.
Yes, yung mga gusto nilang seasonal and then gusto nilang magpalit kagad. Ito rin. And ito, maganda rin yung light nila. Kapag gusto nilang maliwanag, ito talaga yung sinasuggest namin. And some windows, medyo maiksi lang sila. Mas gusto nila yung height, yung standard height.
This is what inside yung retail store natin. It's not too big, however, I think what's essential, yun yung mga talagang naka-display dito. So they have bath section area, they also have linen area, mga bed sheets, yan, dito sa likod ko, ito yung mga bed sheets natin. And ito yung example ng isang bed wherein mga naka-furnish sa mga items natin. So these are sample pillows, meron din tayong mga comforter, and grabe, yung, what do you call this? I think 150 pesos, as low as 150 pesos available, guys. And guys, so if you are, decorating your homes, your bedroom, or even your office, ayan, you can check out Holla, get items from here. Very, very affordable po yung mga products po nila dito.
We're inviting you to our physical store at Jumbo Jenra, Mabalacat City. We are excited to see you para mapakita po namin yung lowest price yet quality ng mga home linen products. To know more about us, you may check our Facebook account or Shoppee and Lazada shop. Hope to see you. Thank you.
Alright, so there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, you share it with your friends, and make sure to check out Holla Home Decor dito po sa Jumbo Jenra, Mabalacat, Pampanga. Thank you so much for watching Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out.